दोस्तों मैं हूं सुप्रिय। आप पहुंच चुके हैं आपका फेवरेट चैनल एरोलेस बायोलॉजी। तो दोस्तों आज सॉल्व करने वाले हैं एनटी नीट अभ्यास टेस्ट नंबर 18। चलिए शुरू किया जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट्स हैपन ड्यूरिंग फर्टिलाइजेशन इन ह्यूमन्स आफ्टर ओवम लॉस्ट देयर टेल्स? Secretion of acrosome helps one sperm enter cytoplasm of ovum through zona pellucida. Next question, the example of trait that is controlled by many genes in human beings is, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? पॉलीजेनिक ट्रेट। सो आंसर जाएगा स्किन कलर। In a typical Mendelian cross, which a dihybrid cross, one parent is homozygous for both dominant traits and another parent is homozygous for both recessive traits. In the F2 generation, both parental recombination appear. The phenotypic ratio of parental combination to recombination is, the ratio of parental to recombination is 10:6 because there are 9 and 1 are of the parental type and 3 and 3 are recombinant. How many is or are true? The primary root and its branches consist to the taproot system. In monocot, the primary root is short-lived. The root that arises from the other part of the plant, other radicle, is called adventitious root. Answer जाएगा B 3. Organ of Corti is located on the बोलिए बच्चों 5A basilar membrane. The grade of organization is sponge is, इजी सा सवाल है, सेलुलर ग्रेड. Which of these cells are known to regulate cell mediated immunity in the human body? आंसर क्या जाएगा? C suppressor cell. Suppressor T cells are being studied in the treatment of cancer also. The study of trends in human population growth and prediction of further development is known as demography. Acromegaly is caused by, ये भी तो इजी सा सवाल है ना, excess of growth hormone. Which of the following is hormone releasing iodine? टफ से कर बच्चा, टफ से. LNG20. Pericycle of root produce lateral roots. Roundworms are different from platyhelminthes in which of the following features? Roundworms have a complete digest system. Which one of the following is a sedimentary biochemical cycle in ecosystem? Phosphorus cycle. Next question. The new variety of plant are produced by selection and hybridization. Photochemical smoke does not contain carbon dioxide. The telomerase of eukaryotic chromosome consists of short sequence of adenine-rich repeats. Which one is a true statement regarding DNA polymerase used in PCR? It remains active at high temperature. Biodiversity of a geographical region represent the diversity in organism in the region. Movement of sperm is due to sperm tail. The wings of pigeon, butterfly, and bat show convergent evolution. इजी सा सवाल था, सिवाय 16 नंबर, ये मीडियम था. Extremities of a long bones possess cartilage. Hyaline. Which one of the following is not a biofertilizer? Agrobacterium. Ribulose diphosphate carboxylase oxygenase located in chloroplast. The process of migration of chloride ions from plasma to RBC and that of carbonate ions from RBC to plasma is chloride shift. The poliovirus entered the human body through tick bite. Medium question थी, medium. Which is the basis of evolution? Species. The C4 plants are different from C3 plants. Reference to primary CO2 receptor. In C4 plants, the primary CO2 receptor is PEP. In CO3, it is RUBP. The population of an insect species show an explosive increase in numbers during rainy season, followed by its disappearance and at the end of season. What does the pattern of population show? Its population growth curve of J type. Pericarp is form of ovary wall. Next question. The dwarfness in plant of F2 generation is recessive. In higher vertebrate, the immune system can distinguish self and non-self cell. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks self cell, then it leads to, if self and non-self recognition power are lost, the immune cell can attack its own body cell. So this phenomenon is called autoimmune disease. Which of the following is the correct sequence even in origin of life? Synthesis of monomers, synthesis of organic polymers. Next, formation of protobiont. नेक्स्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डीएनए बेस्ड जेनेटिक सिस्टम. आंसर क्या आएगा बच्चों? सी. हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ गेमेट्स विल बी फॉर्म बाय ए पी प्लांट विथ जेनोटाइप TTYY upon self fertilization? 4. The gamete will be TY 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 TY. Which one of the following pairs of terms names are the same? DNA fingerprinting, DNA profiling. Next question. Which one of the following is the incorrect matching of the event occurring during the menstrual cycle? The tertiary follicle further change in the mature follicle or Graafian follicle. ठीक है. Development of corpus luteum in the proliferate phase with increasing secretion of progesterone. ये wrong है. आंसर आएगा B. The latest trend in plant disease control is biological control. The birth control measure that is related to males is vasectomy. Two organs which are similar in structure and origin but not necessary in function are called homologous. In the five kingdom system of classification, which kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen-fixing bacteria, methogenic bacteria? Monera. The shoulder blade is called as scapula. Disjunction is chromosomal separation in anaphase 1. In progressive sequence, the leaves fall gradually. The character of molecular probe are very long molecule full, double standard wrong, DNA or RNA complementary to a part of desert gene. C. Identify the correct type of food chain. A food chain which begins with detritus or dead organic matter is called detritus food chain. So आंसर क्या आएगा बच्चों? detritus food chain. What is not true for the genetic code? A code in mRNA is read in a non-continuous fashion. Parthenosis is a form of asexual reproduction. Kill petal is characteristic feature of flowers of cassia. How many factors shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the right shift? The condition are low, concentration of hydrogen is high, oxyH B association, high temperature, high CO2 concentration. आंसर क्या आएगा? फोर. Select the incorrect statement with respect to centrioles. Cat-like organization, right? They are made up of 9 evenly paced peripheral fibers of tubulin, right? The central part is non-proteinaceous and called the hub. ये wrong है. Read the following statement carefully and select the correct option. In zoological parks, conditions similar to natural habitats are provided to the animals. Keys are generally analytic in nature. In Herbaceous seed, local names are not mentioned. ये wrong है. Local names are mentioned. Taxonomy aids are useful in knowing biosource. ये भी right है. आंसर आएगा C. The role of molybdenum is nitrogen metabolism. Trypsin is converted into active trypsin by the action of enterokinase. The outer layer of pollen is made up of sporopollenin. Which of the following is an example of sporophytes? Agaricus. In the filament of skeletal muscle fiber, a small globular protein that marks the active sites on the A pectin is troponin. Look at the following diagram showing facilitated diffusion across the membrane. Identify its type. In this diagram, the two molecules A and B going opposite direction. Hence, the diffusion is called antipode. The intrameiotic interface is called enterkinase. Next question, which one of the following pairs of plant structure have haploid number of chromosome? egg cell and antipodal cell. Which of the following statement is not true for retrovirus? DNA present at any stage in the life cycle of retrovirus. Is the fall formula of Solanacin. In the chemistry of vision in mammals, one of the photosensitive substance is called rhodopsin. Seed and bud dormancy can induce by IBA. Which one of the following progress and technique are included under biotechnology? Silencing of gene to pest resistant plants, synthesis gene and using it, developing of a DNA vaccine, correcting a defective gene, all of is correct. A, B, C, D. The enzyme activity can complete stopped by blocking its active site. The fusion of male and female gametes in chlamydomonas is called syngamy. Which of the following is absorbed in the stomach? Simple sugars. In glycogen, the right end of polysaccharide chain is called reducing end. In human being, the membrane of erythrocyte has approximately 52% protein and 40% lipid. Which of the following organism is likely to have more concentration of DDT in its body? Top carnivores. In the following, which one of the example biophyta has elaborate mechanisms for dispersal? Marchantia. Ginkgo is a rhizome. The number of chromosomes in myocyte of butterfly. 1 to 60 opiglosome. 20 maize. 380 butterfly. 80 fruit fly. आंसर आएगा C. Some of the enzymes which are associated with the digestion of protein, lipids, nucleic acid are present in lysozymes. The floral formula for Brassica family is C. When a tall plant was self-pollinated, 1/4 of progeny was dwarf. The genotype of the parent and dwarf progenies are. Answer is B. In which of the following organism pigments are similar to the found in higher plants? Answer is Euglena. 4 respiratory enzymes are given below. Arrange them in increasing order of carbon number in the substrate on which they act. Alcohol dehydrogenase, then amylose, then fumarase, then aconitase. आंसर आएगा D. ये आउट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी था. Lenticels are formed by aperture of the epidermis is parenchyma cell. Which of the following hormone of the human body are not secreted by a endocrine gland? NF. Which organism behaves like a plant in the presence of light and absence of organic food, but in reserve condition behaves like animals? Euglena. Which of the following statement are true or false? आंसर आएगा बी, 1 and 2 are true, 3 and 4 are false. Each arterial veins consists of 3 layers: an inner lining of squamous endothelium, the tunica intima, a middle layer of smooth muscle, and elastic fibers, the tunica media, an external layer of connective tissue with collagen fiber, the tunica externa. आंसर आएगा बी. Which of the following shade represent the effect of noise pollution on human health? इजी सा सवाल है. Sleepiness increase heartbeat and alter breathing pattern. Which of the following types of leukocyte is characterized by the presence of S-shaped nucleus? 84 का आंसर आएगा बी, बेसोफिल. सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. 85 का आंसर आएगा all the 3 option. Analysis the given pedigree chart and select the is correct regarding it. एक ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट ट्रेट का पेडिग्री है और इसका आंसर जाएगा सी, ऑटोसोमल डोमिनेंट ट्रेट मायोटेनिक डिस्ट्रोफी. Enteric gland of crustacean are meant for excretion. All the following statements regarding cell organelle are correct except leucoplasts are bound by a single membrane, lack pigment but containing their own DNA and protein synthesis machinery. Analyze the given life cycle of plants and select the plant which represents such a life cycle. Fucus. Last but not least, Escherichia sexual reproductive structure form in all of the above. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you so much. हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं सुप्रियो. आप पहुंच चुके हैं आपका फेवरेट चैनल एरोलेस बायोलॉजी. तो दोस्तों आज सॉल्व करने वाले हैं NTNE डब्बास टेस्ट नंबर 18. चलिए शुरू किया जाए. Asexual reproduction sponge occurs in fragmentation. The developed male gamete in angiosperm is partially in situ and anther partially in situ and anther partially ex situ in stigma. Which of the following is correct deposition which phases of menstrual cycle? Primary follicle in the ovary grow to become a fully mature Graafian follicle. Stimulation the endometrium of uterus regenerate through proliferation. A total of 512 seeds are collected from the cross between AABB and AABB. Find the number of plants produced with the genotype AABB. We know that AABB is to 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 AABB is equal to 1 is to 2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1. So the total ratio of plant with genotype AABB and ABB will be 3/16. The number of the plant with genotype AABB and AB will be 316 into 200 by 512 समान 96. Next question. Modern Homo sapiens across during Ice Age. 5D. Which are correct? The condition climate on Earth where low temperature falls high temperature होना था. Cheetah and human share similar in the pattern of bone of proliferance stick. In a collection of moths made in 1850s, before industrial set in, it was observed that there were more dark-winged moths on trees than white-winged moths. Wrong. More white-winged moths on trees than dark-winged. Branching descent and natural descent are the two key concepts of Darwin theory, right? The Neanderthal man with a brain size of 140 cc live in East and Central Asia 25,000 to 10,000 years ago. AB falls 10,000 to 40,000 ago. Correct answer is B and D. Select the incorrect information given regarding ascariasis. Organ in which pathogen found in colon. Fish in a industry devoted to catching, poaching or sealing of fish, shellfish or other aquatic animals. Some of the very common freshwater fishes include katla, rohu, common carp. In biology method of gene transfer, the microparticles coated with foreign DNA are bombarded into target cell at a very high velocity. These microparticles are made up of gold and tungsten. The number of death and birth in the last stage of sigmoid growth curve population will be equal. Which of the following is correct regarding the ecosystem? There is cyclic exchange of materials between living beings and environment. The flow of energy in a unidirection. It is self-regulating unit. Answer I got D. Select the incorrect match from the following. Panthera tigris. कैनेडिया नहीं होता, फेलिडिया होता है. Which one state of virus is correct? Virus contain DNA or RNA. Excretory system absent echinodermata. इकाइनोडर्माटा रेडुला फॉर फीडिंग. रॉन्ग, ये तो मोलस्का की होती है. टीनोफेरा इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं, ये एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन होते ही है. तो क्या पूछा है? इनकरेक्ट सेट 1 और 3, P और T. In cymose, main axis terminates in flower. Flower are born in basal order. D. As a tree grow very old, which of the following increase more rapidly in thickness? Heartwood. 18 क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा बी, मोनोकोट स्टेम. Periplaneta americana is a very common species of cockroach. It is Uricoteli. Read the following statement. How many of the above statements are incorrect? Two. कार्टिलेजेस नहीं, पाइवोट होती है. The simple epithelium consists of single layer. Select the incorrect statement. Lengthy glycoprotein. The X-shaped structure formed during the largest stage of meiosis 1 are called transpiration has more than one purpose. Which of the following is not the purpose of the transpiration? Gives high tension strength to water column present in xylem. Manganese toxicity causes both A and B. Brown spot surround chorotic vein. Brown spot, brown. Effectiveness of difference wavelength of light on photosynthesis is measured by absorption spectrum. Number of oxidation atom required for oxidation of 2 NADH2 molecules in ETC. 1 NADH2 number of oxygen atom 1 is required in ETC. So 2 NADH2 form, the number of oxygen required is 2 in ETC. Arithmetic growth curve is represented by C. Which of the following disease is result of reflex action medulla oblongata? Vomiting. Which of the following is most suitable description for trachea? Straight tube extending up to the mid thoracic cavity and divided at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. Read the following statement about the excretory system in humans. How many are incorrect? 2 are incorrect. Our lungs remove large of CO2. 18 liter per day, 18 liter per day, 18 liter per day. In which disease does a symptom of acute chest pain appear due to enough oxygen not reaching the heart muscle? Angina pectoris. Which of the organs is not a part of the limbic system? Cerebellum. Which of the following is not the function of parathormone? Decrease the reabsorption of calcium from the renal tubules. Which of the set of elements delay flowering in their concentration in plant is low? Nitrogen, sulfur, molybdenum. The part of the large intestine which appears as a blind sac and herbivorous some microorganism is called cecum. Vital capacity ERV plus TP plus IRV S3. Citrus canker is bacterial disease. Which of the following is correct about non-living object? So extensive growth. Respiratory organs like gills, book lungs, or tracheal system are found in phylum Arthropoda. Nasal ganglia are located in cyton and tendon. See this image and identify parts between level A and E. इसका आंसर आएगा C. In mitosis, the centromere split chromatids separate during prophase. Anaphase. Prophase नहीं anaphase, sorry. Anaphase. A particular mineral element P activates various enzymes, especially nitrate reductase. Identify P. Molybdenum. The spectrum has all of the following except clotting factors. Which of the following is not a part of renal tubules? Glomerulus. Photosynthesis physico-chemical process. In male, FSH stimulates Sertoli cell. Milk yield is primarily dependent on the quality of breed. The number of chloroplasts in Chlamydomonas is 1 and mesophyll cell it range between 20 to 40. Different cells have different size. Arrange the following cell in ascending order to of their size and select the correct option. Identify parts label A and B. Nostoc, A heterosis, B miscellaneous seed. Identify the correct option. Identify the correct option. B. Identify correct incorrect pair. Genuloxa. Genulox. Identify the mismatch among the following. Amphibian, epidermal scale. Which set of the character belong to the same phylum? First, true coelomate and Nephridia. How many of the following are not correct? 2 and 3 are not correct. Which of the following are structural function of liver? Hepatic lobules. Mark out the number of incorrect statements. 2 and 4. The most notable disease caused by the prions are bovine spongiferum encephalopathy, commonly called mad cow disease. In cattle, its analogous variant, Jacob disease. Select the incorrect. Chordata have solid dorsal nervous system and notochord. Plants with edible roots include carrot, turnip, maize. Carrot turnip maize नहीं होगा. Sorry. Carrot radish sweet potato. Which of the following is not the feature of cardiac muscle? Communication junction are intervertebral discs. Which of the following set represent the members of Solanaceae family? Belladonna, Ashwagandha, Petunia. Components are present in the phloem of angiosperm. Fertilization in cockroach is internal. Vessel differ from tracheids in having vaginal perforation plates at both ends. During muscle contraction, what could be correct sequence? A release of acetylcholine, release of calcium ion into sarcoplasm, breakdown of ATP to form cross bridge, sliding of actin filaments over each other. Which of the following is correct about organism developed through parthenogenesis? They show 100% similarity to mother. Which of the following is correct about metaphase 1? Bivalents are arranged at the equator. Which of the following is an important function of cortisol? Maintains cardiovascular system as well as kidney. Angiotensin 2 will perform all of the following except hypernatremia. The human placenta does not secrete which of the following hormones? Androgens. Inner layer of male gametophytes in angiosperm is mainly composed of polymer of carbohydrate. During embryonic development of human, limbs and digest are formed during second month of pregnancy. Barber is absent, Turner syndrome. The frequency of the crossing over between any two linked gene is directly proportional to the distance between them. Soil is contrasted with dark. Select the incorrect statement about it. Once in a month pill wrong. Once in a week pill. Experiment proof of theory chemical evolution life has given Wood and Miller. Biotic potential refers to increased population under optimum condition. Which of the following factor may result in introduction of new variation? Gene mutation. Identify the sequence of stages in the evolution. Australopithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthal, Cro-Magnon, मॉडर्न ह्यूमन. तो पहले क्या आएगा? होमो ऑस्ट्रालोपिथेकस, नेक्स्ट होमो हेबिलिस, नेक्स्ट होमो इरेक्टस, नेक्स्ट निएंडरथल. The female mosquito is the vector for which of the following disease? Filariasis and malaria. Which of the following statement is not correct? In an artificial system, flow of energy is not unidirectional. Which of the following is not true about succession? It is a natural process of change in species structure community within time. It is a gradual and predictable change. Progress increase in the amount of living biomass as succession proceed. Food chain relation becomes less complex as succession proceed. आंसर आएगा फूड चेन रिलेशनशिप becomes less complex as succession proceed. Which of the following is a autoimmune disease? Myasthenia gravis. How many of the following are not incorrect? Two or four. Two. Mark the incorrect pair. BT cotton gene from Agarobacterium. Wheat Sonarica. Cauliflower Pusa subra. Brassica. Puka Gorov. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ प्रियो, आप पहुंच चुके हैं अपना फेवरेट चैनल एरोलेस बायोलॉजी। तो दोस्तों, एनटीए टेस्ट आपका फुल मॉक टेस्ट 15 का एग्ज़ाम आपके सामने आंसर की है। ये सिर्फ पहले बायो का अपलोड कर रहा है, उसके बाद फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी ओवरऑल अपलोड करेंगे। इसका आपके साथ में क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है और उसके साथ कौन सा ऑप्शन सही है ये भी जान सकते हैं। मैं चलते रहा हूँ आगे की ओर, आप उसे देखते चले जाइए। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन के अनुसार आगे बढ़ते चले जाते हैं, आप देखते रहे। डीएनए H1 हिस्टोन ऑक्टामार। दोस्तों मैं हूं डॉक्टर सुप्रियो फ्रॉम कलकत्ता नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज। आप पहुंच चुके आपका फेवरेट चैनल एरोलेस बायोलॉजी। तो दोस्तों आज आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ऑल साइंटिस्ट इन एनसीईआरटी। पहला, साइट्रिक एसिड साइकिल कौन सा साइंटिस्ट प्रपोज किया था? इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हिंसकार्फ। नेक्स्ट, केल्विन साइकिल, नाम से पता चलता है कौन साइंटिस्ट इसका प्रपोज किया था? साइंटिस्ट मेल्विन केल्विन। रिडक्स नेचर ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, ये कौन सा चाचा ने बोला था? ये हमारा साइंटिस्ट वॉन नील ने बोला था। लॉ ऑफ लिमिटिंग फैक्टर, ये लॉ किसका है? ये लॉ ब्लैकमैन की है। एसेंशियलिटी ऑफ लाइट इन प्लांट न्यूट्रिशन, किसने बोला था? ये बोला था हमारा विज्ञानी एनगेज हॉज। नेक्स्ट, एक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, किसने डिस्कवर किया था? एंगलमैन। द डार्विन ऑफ 20th सेंचुरी किसको बोला जाता है? अर्नेस्ट मेयर को। बायोलॉजिकल नोमेनक्लेचर कौन सा विज्ञानी प्रपोज किया था? कैरोलस लिनियस। फर्स्ट साइंटिफिक बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन किसने किया था? एरिस्टोटल। फादर ऑफ टेक्सोनॉमी एंड आर्टिफिशियल क्लासिफिकेशन किसने किया? लिनियस। नेचुरल क्लासिफिकेशन कौन सा विज्ञान प्रपोज किया था? बेंथम एंड हुकर। नेक्स्ट, 5 किंगडम क्लासिफिकेशन किसने प्रपोज किया था? व्हिटेकर। नेक्स्ट, मोजाइक डिजीज ऑफ टोबैको, ये किसने बोला था? डीजी इवानोस्काई। नेक्स्ट, कॉन्टेजियम वाइपम फ्लोरिडियम किसने डिस्कवर किया था? BMW गाड़ी अर्थात BM बेजीरिंग। क्रिस्टलाइजेशन वायरस किसने किया? साइंटिस्ट स्टैनली, WM स्टैनली। वीडियोट्स किसने प्रपोज किया था? टीओ डिनर। बुक एनाटॉमी ऑफ सीड प्लांट्स किसका था? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर नीट 2020। कैथरीन इशू। फर्स्ट डेड सेल किसने डिस्कवर किया था? रॉबर्ट हुक। और फर्स्ट लिविंग सेल ल्यूएनहॉक। सेल थ्योरी किसने प्रपोज किया था? शेल्डन एंड स्क्वान। ओमनी सेलुलाई सेलुला रुडलॉफ वर्चो। फ्लूइड मोजाइक मॉडल किसने दिया था? सिंगर एंड निकलसन। नेम वायरस किसने किया था? लुई पास्टर। गोल्गी बॉडी नेम किसने दिया था? कैमलियो गोल्गी। नेक्स्ट, राइबोसोम कौन सा विज्ञानी डिस्कवर किया था? गेगोर पेलाडे। नेक्स्ट, न्यूक्लियस रॉबर्ट ब्राउन ने प्रपोज किया था। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल ऐसे बेहतरीन सेशन के लिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।